Have you ever tried an arepa before? If you haven't, you need to. It's a warm, cheesy, melt in your mouth, delicious meal. And the best part is that it's very easy to do. This is Cooking with Hilda, and today we're making arepas. In today's video, we're gonna make the easiest version of arepas. And for that, we will need this kind of flour. It's called pan. It's a corn flour, and you will find two different kind of colors of this flour. It doesn't matter what kind of color you choose. The yellow envelope is gonna be a more white flour, and the orange is gonna give you a more orangey finish. And both of them are delicious and good. So you just choose your preference of corn color. And mozzarella cheese, lots of mozzarella cheese. I like to make the arepas in a big container so I can knead the dough there without making a mess. And we set the warm water inside the container, and we sprinkle the pan flour. We pour very slowly the flour and we start mixing. You can use a mixer or you can use your hands. I like to combine a kitchen whisk and my hands. But you don't stop mixing, and this is a very important step because we don't want to form lumps. If you stop mixing, lumps are going to start to form, and we don't want that. We want a very smooth, melt in your mouth texture of the dough. So don't stop mixing. And now we add the mozzarella cheese. This recipe is going to be enough to give you 24 big size arepas. If you don't want that much, you can cut it in half. But it's always good to have seconds. Another tip I want to give you is have a bowl with water, warm water, and add some drops of oil. And in this water, we're gonna wet our hands when forming these arepas. Now we start forming the arepas by grabbing some dough and making a hole in the middle. And we fill this hole in the middle with as much cheese we can fit in this hole. And then we close it and we wet our hands with this water that is combined with little oil, and we close it and we form this ball. It's very easy to do because this dough is soft and beautiful. Traditional arepas are cook, then open, and then fill, and then cook again. This version is the easiest one, so you can make them every day if you want to. And now you have a grill, your grill or your comal, and you put some butter on it. It has to be hot, already warm, very hot. And we cook the arepas in both sides with butter. perfect for any summer afternoon that you want to cook for your kids and family something fast, delicious, cheesy. Arepas are the perfect option. You see how delicious and cheesy they are? Amazing. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like this cheesy, delicious, melt in your mouth arepas, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.